realize now they start watching shots them more than they. And the shots them build up the algorithm for YouTube now. Because if you go up on, when you go up on YouTube and you see some little short video, a whole heap of them a pop up for me now, you know. Let me know. So we still put out some long, like have some 20 minutes video, 15 minutes video. We so reach to 1,000, you know. Everything. Some salt. Anytime the weather change, we come like you go sick.
That's a rich man right now.
Yeah, because we feel like man, when I come out, my eye them around water. Yes, lucky thing me still have some Thailand and some peeling on my back. You know, the situation we all in the heat and I go out tonight. I watch for our channel. Yesterday, the lady announced that she's done her, she quit, you know. She'll make over $2,000 a week. Around $1,300 a week. And a month, and for the month, she'll make over almost $6,000. And she's a young YouTuber. She did a contemplate about she don't want to quit her job. But now she monetized. She quit and now her job now, so she'll go harder now. So let's see what say. She'll pay him up there, say. Man, creep off the road already. Friday night. Yeah, so creepy people them a creep, so man I slide a girl over this, so I reach up at the sheets there, so you know the new car wash there. It's a CRV, me see wire up between a metal light post and so. What's that?
No.
Yeah.
Maybe. You want to be safe on the road, yeah, man.
Come back over here, sir. Look a bit. Yes, you are going there. Yeah, man. People, me I make sure build up. Me make sure me have to do this phone, you know, cause okay, I say me still have to go on our content in the morning, yeah, you know. So me I beg you, please just watch the video here for me. Just bring me got 1,000 likes, 1,000. Me I beg you, do. Please and thanks. Me I make sure me can see when me I scrape up all. Me I beg you, please. Don't see when me I got you. Because I want to know watch the video, I want to go on something clean. See me? See there? Yeah man, right now I have to work. Right now, you see what I go on. Everybody have to do that. Yeah man, see there? I have to make sure. Right now, I have to go clean up. Sprinkle salt. Yeah man, I beg you to do man. I beg you to please and thanks. Run up the thing to 1,000 likes. Please. Reach me, just reach home. Pim! 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 Where there? See there, rubbish truck, massive. See there. Where the bathroom? I salt and the shovel me did I beg you to pass for me there. The next day. You are going there. You have to make sure. And that shot other one there for me. Take up on this. Jaja. I have to take up. See it there? That's how it's set. See me that one? That one, I'm on the rubbish on this. People, make sure you build that one up for me in the cars. All the way this to my yard, you know? See back of my yard there. See back of my yard there. See back there. Now what we have to do now, we just leave the back for now. Just leave the back for now. We have to focus on the front. Because people we walk past, people we walk and slide and drop and chat and you get in a trouble feet. See me? See what I go on there? Rubbish truck come early. See there. Alia, you're not there. Eh? Knox gone? Your mommy there? Your leg hurt? Alright, man, I forgot to go for the. Now I go for the. Sealer. You have to make sure it's, you know. Set here, sir. Spread it out in the road now. Yeah. Make sure we do this in the cars. See? So if you allow it. Allow it. So if you allow it, finger them freeze. See salt. We're gonna people no please. Build something decent for me, so look. I even the watch time on the game. all of this. Make sure everything up. Yeah, my paper, I eat this, you know. Yeah, that me have to do, you know. See what I go on there. See there. Make sure sprinkle it. Make sure. See me, cause for the whole day, y'all get snow. So what we do now? This with the salt. Yeah. People, right now I'm kinda sick here cause anytime I come around them time, I chew you have it in the coat, in the heat. In the heat, same way. In the car, you have to turn on your heat. You know? See, they come out in the cold. See car there. See there. So, man. Yeah, man. So I have to, right now, sick. Can I come out of the house last night, I go out of the heat, going to the cold, going to the car. You know, from work to yard again, the same procedure. I beg on if I ever bring me to 1,000 hikes, trust me, because I make sure I do this. My 6 said you but now if I do my work said you if you want to can get something good for watching, you know. Something nice and decent for you. See there everybody I come out of do because the snow look nice, yes. But it's cold right now. When you see me there, so my finger them freeze. See how I look at that. See how they at the door. Behind the glass door. See there, everybody, see there. Somebody over there saw a video. Get the video, you know, see there. I told me to I couldn't see what I'm going, see there. See there. Yeah man, as I say, I beg you no man, if I even watch out the video. Give me some decent. Give me some. Yeah man, just watch out the video for me man. Kinda 60 because this guy. Malia, go on in, show out the door, Malia. Can't make she come outside, you know, cause I don't know, they have something cold. Finger them a freeze, but not for do it for no. The show is still right here, so yeah, my finger them a freeze, but guess what? I have to do it for no. I have to do it for no, so no, please, I beg you, just give me a run it up to 1,000 views for me there, please, and thanks me, I beg you, no do. Long time I don't carry me this man, and I do the work same way for you know. That's no star where I get to the whole day thing. Yeah. Go in and you know, blessed people, good morning to and stay warm. People are next door, you so me I tell you say it's when I live. Me say yo, Jaja. Why? Tell them to sell me the house, you know, man, but they not sell it there. Not sell the house. Look at my veranda. Look at my veranda. Look at my veranda. Look here. Let me show you what I'm going. See my veranda here, you know. Fix me. Keep me, try my best. Look at my veranda. Only veranda on the black way, a concrete, you know. See me? This of the paint. See me? See my veranda there. See my veranda there. See there. My veranda there. Look here, so now. Look here, no look here, so. At the state, you can imagine. At the state show you out of your house where you buy at the state show you out. I block off you somewhere. Some people, have a blessed mind and I beg you, please and thanks. Give me the watch time. Don't me I beg you. Right now I'm sick, but I have to do this phone to make sure I get something to watch. And please enjoy it. Love, manners and respect.